Jai Srimanarayana. Second sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Jnanam teham savijnanam idam vakshyami ಅಶೇಷತಃ ಯಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ ನೇಹ ಭೂಯೋನ್ಯತ್ ಜ್ಞಾತವ್ಯಂ ಅವಶಿಷ್ಯತೆ. Om. Listen to Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a direct speech of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Only Sri Krishna Paramatma can declare about his complete nature to you. Get enlightened about Sri Krishna Paramatma. If you know about Sri Krishna Paramatma, there is nothing remains to be known in this world. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam sharanam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall listen to Bhagavad Gita to get enlightened about your complete nature. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that if I know about you, there is nothing remains to be known in this world. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry. O Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಳಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹ ಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 21st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Kamsa started killing every son of Vasudeva, thinking that May that sun is Sri Mahavishnu. So, cruel kings, in order to save themselves, they do not hesitate to kill other kings. In that process, they don't even hesitate to kill Ghnantihi, Mataram, Pitaram, Bhratrun, Sarvamscha Suhrudastadha, Tallidandrinaina, Tammulanannala Sakhulanaina, Bandhujanulanaina, Rajyakanksha Chesi, Rajulu Sampuduru. In order to fulfill their extreme desires, kings do not hesitate to kill their own mother, father, brother, friend, and relatives. So here Kamsa was Kalanemi in his previous birth. He was killed by Mahavishnu. Now Narada told about that to Kamsa. Ever since Kamsa heard about that, he started spilling out so much of hatredness to each and everyone who belongs to Yadu dynasty. And also what Kamsa did is he put his own father in prison. And with the help of Jarasandha, Kamsa started torturing all those who belongs to Yaduvamsam. In that act, Kamsa was helped by Pralamba, Baka, Chanura, Trunavarta, Aghasura, Mushtika, Arishta, Dvivida, Putana, Kesi, Dhenuka, Banasura, Narakasura. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 2nd sloka. Jnanam teham savijnanam. Idam vakshyami aseshataha. Yajñātvā neha bhūyonyat. Jñātavyam avasishyate. Jnanam teham savijnanam. Idam vakshyami aseshataha. Yajñātvā neha bhūyonyat. Jñātavyam avasishyate. Srimannārāyana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannārāyana.